Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Delightful Cooking, and today's recipe is baked yogurt with pistachio flavor. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel to get such exciting recipes. So let's begin. For making baked yogurt, you need this hung curd. This is 200 gram of hung curd, and I am taking this in a large bowl. Now you can see all the water of the curd is drained out. We need this curd for making this baked yogurt. Now I am adding 3 tablespoons of fresh cream and around 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. I am not adding any sugar to this yogurt. Condensed milk is enough sweetener for this. Now I am mixing all this together. And I have to make a smooth paste. Here I have pistachio paste around 2 tablespoons, which I am going to add to this batter. And making this paste is very easy. You have to soak the pistachios for a couple of hours and take the skins out of them and make a smooth paste. Now I am mixing it all together with this batter and make a smooth mixture. Now to give it a nice pistachio color, I am adding 1 drop of liquid food color. This is green color which I am taking, and this will give a attractive look to this recipe. And mix it well. You can skip this if you do not like to add color. Now check the consistency of the batter. You will need this consistency for making baked yogurt. For baking, I have taken this microwave proof bowls, and you can take any other microwave proof bowls. And now I am going to grease them with butter, oil or ghee. Clarified butter, I am using clarified butter to grease these bowls. Now I am going to pour the batter in this glass bowls. Just fill this amount and leave a space on the surface. Four set of bowls are ready, and now I am just taking it out from this tray. And this tray is also microwave proof tray, and I will fill the tray with water because this is going to be a steam baking. Now I am adding some water to this tray. In this I am placing these bowls to be baked, and now they are going in the microwave oven. This is my IFB microwave oven 20 liter, and now I am showing you how you can place this. Just open the door and take this in. And now I am closing the door and I am clicking the convection mode power just in 180 degree Celsius. 180, and this will be going to be for 20 minutes. Now start. here is the another way of baking. Now you can see that on a gas oven I have placed a karai, and in this I have taken some boiling water, and in this boiling water I have placed an aluminium rack and arranged these glass bowls on a black tray. Now I am going to cover this with aluminium foil. This is very important because when I will close the lid, the vapor will drop on the surface of the yogurt and the foil will prevent this. Now I am closing the lid and leaving it for 10 minutes on medium-high flame. I am uncovering this after 10 minutes and let me check whether it is done. And yes, this is done. Beautifully risen up and a beautiful pistachio color has come. Now let me check whether it is properly done or not. I am taking a skewers and inserting this into the yogurt and it came out clean, so this is done. Baked yogurt with pistachio flavor is ready to serve, and you can serve this directly in this bowl, or you can take it out from the bowl like I am showing you. Just flip it over on a plate and tap for a little, and you can see they will come out easily. See, nice and beautifully came out, and I am just decorating it with some chopped pistachio and with some chopped cranberries. Now you see, this dessert is absolutely ready to serve. If you are watching this video to the end, that means you like this video and this recipe. It is my pleasure, and please subscribe my channel so that you will get notification of new uploaded videos. Please give it a like and share with your loved one. Thanks for watching, and please keep on commenting for encourage my cooking skill. Thank you.